NCERT Math, Class 9th NCERT Math, exercise number 7.2. Question number first. In an isosceles triangle ABC, with AB is equal to AC, the bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O so that first one, it is OB is equal to OC. We have to prove OB is equal to OC. And next one, AO bisect angle A. Here it is given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, it means two sides is equal. Here it is given AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. The bisector of angle B, AB is equal to AC. So angle B is equal to angle C, because the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. This side and this sides are equal. So opposite angle of this side is this angle, and opposite angle of this side is this angle. So angle B is equal to angle C. The bisector of angle B, bisector of angle B and bisector of angle C meet at point O. Bisector of angle B, it means this angle is equal to this angle. Angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. It is from the question. And so that OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. We have to prove OB is equal to OC. इसको हम लोगों को प्रूव करना है. OB is equal to OC. Okay, so here triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. So angle B is equal to angle C. If AB is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to angle C. It is from the property of the isosceles triangle. And OB and OC, OB and OC are the bisector of angle B and C respectively. So angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. OBC is equal to angle OCB. If these angles are equal, then we can say that OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. Why? Side opposite to equal sides, equal angles are equal. Reason is sides opposite to equal angle are equal. Question number 2. In the question number 2, what we have to prove? AO bisect angle O. How we will prove it? AO bisect angle O. It means if we have, यदि हम लोग इसको प्रूव कर दें, this angle is equal to this angle, then we can say that the AO is the angle bisector of angle A. So in this triangle, both the triangle, in which triangle? ABO and triangle ACO, this triangle and this triangle. Now in triangle ABO and triangle ACO, given here AB is equal to AC, it is given. AB is equal to AC, it is given, and OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. Above proved. OB is equal to OC. From here it is proved. Above proved. And AO is common in both the triangle. AO is equal to AO, common. So we can say that triangle ABO congruent to triangle ACO by side by SSS congruency theorem. By SSS congruency theorem, both the triangles are equal. If both the triangle are equal, then we can say that the corresponding part of the congruent triangle are equal. Corresponding part, this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle also equal to this angle. So where यहाँ पे हम लोगों को क्या जरूरत है? This angle is equal to this angle. So we can write here angle BAO is equal to angle CAO by CPCT. By CPCT. Hence AO bisects angle A. Proved.